Hi all, myself Professor AJ More, Assistant Professor working in the Engineering Sciences Department. Today we'll discuss some of the AutoCAD commands. So before that, going to the commands, what is AutoCAD? We should know. So AutoCAD is a CAD, that is a computer aided design or computer aided drafting software. The application for 2D and 3D design and drafting. It is developed and sold by Autodesk, including first release in the December 1982. AutoCAD was one of the first CAD program to run on personal computer. So AutoCAD is a computer-aided design program used to just about every engineering and designing office in the world. So it is there are various several versions of AutoCAD are available. Updated versions are available. With each new version, we require to introduce new and powerful features of the our current computers, and as per the requirement, we have to install the as per the system we have to install the version on your PC. So what is CAD? Computer aided design is a creative design process that is based on computer system. It can either be hardware or software based. However, it is usually software based program that is used for designing purpose. This design process use computer technology to assist certain types of professionals in design and drawing of technical drawings. Computer-aided design is also referred to as CAD or computer-aided drafting. So if you see the actual interface of the or actual window of the AutoCAD software, you will find the such interface. In this, you will find the drawing name, then the standard toolbar as like your Microsoft Team, Microsoft Office, then your layers. There are three layers. One is for the color, one is for the types of line, and one is for the thickness of the line. Then the different optional toolbars locations, you can say some of the basic toolbars are there like line, polyline, polygon, rectangle, arc, circle, revolve, spline, ellipse, elliptical arc, except hatching, text. Like these commands you will find. And then in the modifying, this is the dimension commands as per the different types of the dimensioning, linear, aligned, then coordinate system dimensioning, the different types of the dimensionings you will find. Then some of the modifying commands also you will find on the screen. So this may those may be the copy, mirror, polar, array, then move, rotate, stretch, scale, lengthen, extend, adjoin, fillet, etc. So in the bottom side you will find the coordinate system where the your point or the location of the your window or the cursor is moving along the screen and what are its dimensions. Then there are three tabs: model, layout, and the layout 2. The in model area, particularly we have to work for the drawing. Then the below that, in between the coordinates display and the status lines, you will find the command line. In that command line you will require to write something about the command, maybe different types of the commands, the basic commands or modifying commands or the dimensions or whatever layers, the formats we have to mention there, and you have to draw. And there are some keys are also available. If you see the snap, grid, ortho, polar, o snap, o track, lw2, and model. So these are the short keys are used to draw the different features of the drawing. So at the time of exactly practical how to use that will be demonstrating. Then the drawing area, you can say this area is the center of the screen, and this is called the model area where we are going to work. This is where uh, uh, you will draw. The size can be changed at any time, and The model switches your drawing between the paper space and model space. Then the position of the your cursor or crosshair. The such type of icon you will find when you will using the actual AutoCAD, and that will be your the cursor movement along the screen, where you are moving the point along the screen to draw the object. Then the command line, this is the command line where the three lines at the bottom of the screen, this will provide you, you enter the commands and AutoCAD will promote you to input the information. Number of line visible can be changed. You have to add or enter the type of the command, maybe basic commands or the modifying commands or the layer commands or some tools which are required to you to draw the objects. So this command line will help you to draw the object. We have to just give the input information. Then status bar, in the status bar, the coordinate system and some icons you will find OSNAP, grid, ortho, polar, OSNAP, OTrack, LWT, and model. So this displays your content setting. The setting can be turned and on off by clicking on the word snap, grid, ortho, etc., or by pressing the function key associated with each. Each have the icon base, each have the drawing area, or you can use the command, or you can directly use the short keys also for to use these various contains the accent, snap, setting, grid, or point. While drawing the objects, we'll find the how to use that exactly. Then these are the introductory toolbars. So in that toolbars, you may find these are the basic commands which are required to draw, and to modify the same, we require to use the modifying commands. You can find the edit, erase, copy, mirror, then offset, array, then this is move, rotate, stretch, lengthen, then extend, trim, join, break, chamfer, fillet, etc. And in the basic commands, you'll find the basic like lines, planes, or the circles, lines, etc., ellipse, hatching, and the multi-line text. So these are the required to draw the objects exactly in the AutoCAD. Then the toolbars, so you can say there are various types of toolbars in the AutoCAD. So you can say this is the we can say the draw toolbars, in which already I have mentioned what type of tools you are going to use to draw up the object. Then modify, object properties, then standard toolbar. What is standard toolbar? In the standard toolbar contains open and save option, will be zoom and pan option. Then object snap. AutoCAD is intelligent drawing aid, joins the line at specific joint by using the object snap. So then CAD coordinate system. So you can find the CAD coordinate system, X and Y objects are shown, and as per the any point in the CAD can be located precisely using X, Y, Z coordinates. The Cartesian coordinate system has three axes X, Y, Z at intersect at 0, 0, 0, and the coordinates values are always expressed as X, Y, Z terms. Then AutoCAD coordinate system. This is the only three AutoCAD coordinate system you should know: absolute coordinates, relative coordinates, and polar coordinates. Most of the time we are going to use the absolute coordinate system. So in the absolute coordinate system, you will find all inputs specified in your drawing using the standard Cartesian coordinates X and Y. Using absolute coordinates, the points entered by typing X and Y only. So you have to enter the X and Y coordinate system in the absolute coordinate system. In the relative coordinate, after the first point enter, your next point can be entered by specifying next coordinates. The compare and relative to the from the first point, the relative coordinate started with the symbol at the rate. The tell the AutoCAD it is the relative coordinate. So you will be using the relative coordinates point entered by typing at X, comma Y and the enter. So in that way we require to use the relative coordinates. Then polar coordinate, in the polar coordinates used when you need to draw the next point at specified angle. So where we want to draw include the angle, the polar coordinate system in AutoCAD specify the distance length at which angle it should be rotated. Using polar coordinates, point entered by typing at the rate, distance, less than symbol, angle, and enter. So in that way, we can use the polar coordinate. Thank you. This is all about what are the feature or the interface of the AutoCAD or the drafting software. So next session we can start with the actual practice on the simple basic and modifying commands. Thank you.